Hey friends, it's Sonia from Junk Monkey Paint Company. I have got a fun project to share with you guys today. This is an old cabinet door that I've painted gray with our mouse in the house, and now what you see me doing is painting over it with our black velvet. This is our chalky style paint. Doesn't it look awesome? It's using this brush, the shabby style brush, that gives me this like really cool look where you see peaks of the gray coming through. Now I've dried it, and what I'm doing now is taking a medium coarse grit sand block and really distressing some edges. I am a distressed shabby lover, so I love my pieces to really feel time worn. All right, you know I love owls, right? Got this owl at Hobby Lobby, and now I'm gonna tape it down. Here's a quick tip. Use some painter's tape when you're doing this process so it doesn't rip your paint up when you go to take it off. And as a teal lover, I gotta grab some Teal River and our antique lace. I'm gonna pour a little bit of each out into what I call a really expensive paint tray. Hello, paper plate. And I'm starting with the Teal River first just to lay it down on the top. And I'm gonna do an ombre effect on this owl here to make it look really cute. So you see me adding in a little bit of the antique lace into the Teal River. And now I'm gonna do another swipe across my stencil. And finally, I'm leaving the last space for just pure antique lace. So I've got this graduation of colors going on. And when I pop that stencil, hello, Mr. Shabby Owl. Like, is he not cute? I just absolutely love him. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do what I call, around these parts, affectionately, the eyeliner effect. It's just like putting eyeliner on, guys, but you put it around your project and it really brings forward that color that we have in the center of the project going down, and it really just makes your project seem really, really balanced, right? So this is the antique lace. I'm bringing it around the edges and it will match up with the colors that I use in the center with the owl. All right, and there you go. Now we're gonna just do a little bit more of a sand. Made sure it was dried, sanded it down. Again, I'm just gonna rough it up just a little bit for that really been around the block a few years kind of look. Oh, I just absolutely love him. Okay, so let's go ahead and seal him now that we have him in place. I'm grabbing my Monkey Shine. This is our all natural beeswax polish, and I'm putting it all over with my wax brush. You can get all these tools that I'm using at www.junkmonkeypaint.com. This is the bee's knees, like quite literally, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and buff any of the excess off that is laying on the top of the piece. And at the end of the day, I really want a really nice, smooth, sealed piece. And there you go, we're ready to enjoy.